Hey, this is Gary Kay and Beth Peterson, product marketing manager from rAVe, and we are inside the Legrand Roadshow truck on the edge here.
Yeah, we're kind of outside a little bit, but yeah, we've kind of spread it out. So right now we're looking at the Mid-Atlantic Collaboration Suite. It's the Forum Collaboration Suite, and it's using a Chief Fusion mount, but I want to talk about what's on the display right now, which is our new EasyIP system from Vaddio. So that's the AV over IP, whole video conferencing suite. It includes cameras, microphones, switchers.
And it's all networked. It's all networked. So that camera right there is connected up with a network cable. The system is all switched through a network switch, which makes it really simple. It's all AV over IP using a Luxel switch, huh?
Yeah, so the backbone of the EasyIP system are our Luxel switches. So it's nice tucked away here in this rack, and everything is just category cabling. So you've got a cable to each of the cameras and a cable to the mixer, this EasyIP mixer here, and our Vaddio device controller, also category cable. Everything's just simple, single cable. And you can just easily switch between cameras, access presets, triggers. So we're featuring in this Roadshow trailer both the EasyIP mixer and the AV Bridge 2x1. So if folks really want to come and check it out, give it a spin, we've got it here in the Roadshow.
Is it NDI compatible as well? Is it NDI integrated as well?
It is not NDI. It's our EasyIP system, so it's an AV over IP solution. The AV Bridge 2x1 is a video switcher for HDMI sources.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it converts it to HDMI as
So
well.
Vaddio does have NDI cameras,
Okay.
so I am still a lover of NDI.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Just I had to ask a question because that's the first question that's going to come up. So this is
Exactly.
an all-in-one product. You can check it all out. You can go to Vaddio's website, of course. Go to rAVe. We're here in the Roadshow. We're going to do some more. We're going to do some more videos. So
Get the
stay
tour.
tuned. And
Yeah.
you're watching this the week after InfoComm rePLAY week. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks.